Hi, welcome back. Hello, folks and students. Another important tip. Let's learn how to know condition table by using vk12 or vk13 if you don't have access for se16 or se16n or se11. I think I have already explained about you how to check the table A star tables. I think you can able to find it out about the data, okay, by using A star tables in se16 or se16n or by through se11. But it's a simple tip. I think you might have observed, you might not observed. I'm not completely sure. Let's try to check this one. Okay. Before that, let me ask you, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And if you really wanted to learn, okay, pricing at a deeper level, I have couple of courses available. One is on ECC. Currently, I'm holding 2000 plus students, and another one is like ECC plus S4 HANA screens. I have explained. This is all about like advanced level. Better do these two courses. You will not have any doubts to take the work in real time for pricing. This is one of my top course, and currently it is holding 112 hours plus 425 lectures and 6000 plus students. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let me try to get onto the SAP. Okay, I will show you this small thing. It's easy. I'm just providing these links below of this video of my courses. If you really want, you can able to give a try. Okay, so let's go to VK. I think I have shown you this one, se16n. If you come here, so like you should know the table. Okay, for example, A501. This is one of the table. Okay, like that, if any data is available, you can able to get it. Okay, so like A901. Let's see this. Okay, some data is there. Okay, some data it is got maintained. This is how you can able to get it. This I have already shown you, but this is something different. If you don't have access for se16n, how you can able to see the data? For example, if you take PR00, you know the condition type. See here anywhere you are not able to see the data of this key combination. For example, let me take this material. Okay, go inside. Okay, let's give some data. Okay, if you know the data, so go inside. So here you come here extra, there is something called key. It's very important. Okay, so you can able to see the table is 304. This is how you can able to find it out. So let me try to show you the same thing for the table level in se16 and 304. Okay, you'll get the similar kind of data, but here I have filtered with condition type. Okay, condition type is PR000 ZH01. I'm just passing here. Okay, so now you will get lesser records. Okay, like this you can able to see this. Okay, this is how you can able to find it out. I think you can remember this. Let me show you again, either vk12 or let's go to vk13. Okay, so let me take another condition type, for example MWST. Okay, here I'm just taking the first key combination. So let me give you the DE as a country and go inside, and let's try to go to the extras and try to find the table. The table is 078 departure and destination country. You can able to see the details also over here. So now go to SC16M. Okay, A078. This I am showing as for comparison. Actually, it's not our actual topic. So still you can give MWST here as a condition type, and let's execute this. This is how you can able to get it the key combination. If you really wanted to get the the key combinations specific for DE to DE, you can able to see you can able to filter here. This is how table level you can able to filter it. These are the three condition records. As of now it is got created. So the thing is that you have to remember this. Just go here, go inside and execute any condition table for that matter. Go to extras and key. This is the advantage of this key. Okay, so this is how you can able to learn this. If you really like this video, you can like it. If you really wanted to subscribe my channel to get further inputs, you can try it. And till that, till then, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Let's catch up in next session. Have a great day.